name is Frank Pally, and I've just returned from Cannon Beach, and I wanted to show you a quick process with Lightroom and how to set your black and white points. And that's the basics that I start on all my images in post-processing. You need to get your black and white points correct. And this will be just a short little video just showing you how to do that. Once you're in Lightroom, you go over to your Develop module. From your Develop module, go down to your Basics, your first tab that opens up. Under the first tab, you'll see there's white and black in there. If you put your cursor over your whites, you hit your Option key, and you can slide, the screen will go black, and then it'll start showing where the whites are starting to come through, and you can see the little opening areas that's going to be blown out. So just be careful. Pick your choice on how much you would like to have blown out along there, but you know, it's just, if it's not that important, you can go a little further, but as soon as you see a little white, you can stop there. And right away, we've opened this image and made it look pretty nice. It was pretty flat prior to this. Next, you go down to your black, and then for your black, you drag that to your left, and hit your Option key. And again, as you'll see, quite a bit of black kind of showing through, but you want to, you know, pick and choose how deep you want to go into it, and to have no details. With this, I think it's pretty good. And right away, you know, we've made a huge difference in this image. And let me just show you from where we started to where we are now. So that's where we started, very flat looking shot, to something that we've opened up. And from here, there'll be a part 2 continuing on with this image, and on another date. Thanks for watching. As always, please hit the like button and the subscribe right below the screen, and thank you very much.